Hello, fellow viewer. It is I, Edgy, and the cameraman. I forgot your name. Well, welcome back to another nature video. We're running out of ideas here. So, follow me on this quick little tour. It's gonna be like at least 2 minutes long. Okay, so we do nature videos, but I'm no nature expert. I don't know what the hell this bush is. It's a bush. It's red. I think that's bad. There's a bench here, so that must mean it's a pet. Ooh, there's a cat. You have to look at the cat. Come on. Quietly approach. You have to quietly approach the cat. If we allowed her to stop. Oh, it's on the move. It's on the move. And it's gone, folks. It's out of view. That's a shame. We almost saw some actual wildlife instead of people. You can see right there, those are some generators, and you can see around us in this ruin that this has been a past civilization. Like, you see this? This used to be a place where people would hang out. I think this is the meeting place of all the civilizations be. And to the right, we see some of the houses, and the houses are in quiet ruin. Like, that looks stable, but not in livable conditions. No running water around here. And you can see that the crops are a bit overgrown. There's quite nothing in there. It's just grass, not even that actual crop has been growing here. There's nothing else to it. This is the entire video. We have nothing else. Bye.